There is something undeniably satisfying about a cashew. That creamy texture, that subtle buttery sweetness. It's a combination that makes them a favorite snack for so many of us. Whether you enjoy them roasted and lightly salted, blended into a rich sauce, or simply raw from the bag, their appeal is universal. They appear in our trail mixes, adorn our salads, and form the base of plant-based desserts. They feel like a wholesome choice, a little handful of goodness. A far cry from a bag of crisps or a chocolate bar, offering a taste of nature's bounty. But as with so many things in nutrition, the story isn't quite so simple. Cashews are packed with beneficial nutrients that can support our health, yet they also carry a hidden side. It's easy to get lost in their deliciousness, reaching for handful after handful without a second thought. Their richness, healthy fats and dense energy, means we must use respect and restraint. The line between a healthy snack and overindulgence is thin. Many people are surprised to learn that the cashew is not, botanically speaking, a true nut. It is actually the seed of the cashew tree, known scientifically as Anacardium occidentale, a tropical evergreen tree, that produces a peculiar fruit structure. A fleshy cashew apple with the seed growing at its bottom. The cashew apple is edible, often juiced or made into jams where it is grown, but it's highly perishable. The seed is encased in a double shell containing anacardic acid, a potent skin irritant related to urushiol in poison ivy. That's why you'll never find truly raw in-shell cashews at the store. Cashews you buy, even those labeled raw, are heat-treated, typically steamed or roasted, to neutralize the toxic oil and make the seeds safe for us to consume. After harvesting, seeds are separated from apples, dried, steamed, shelled and peeled, then grated. Much of this process is still done by hand, contributing to their cost. Major producers include Vietnam, India, Nigeria, and Ivory Coast, where cashew trees thrive. Global demand makes cashews a significant agricultural commodity supporting many livelihoods. When we look at the nutritional profile, one standout is fat content. Cashews are rich in mono and polyunsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil and avocados. They can help lower LDL, maintain or raise HDL, great for long-term heart health. Cashews also provide plant-based protein, essential for muscles, tissues, enzymes, and hormones. A small handful offers a meaningful protein boost that curbs hunger between meals, helping prevent a reach for sugary, less nutritious options. Cashews are rich in essential minerals, a spark plug mix for your biochemistry. Copper supports energy production, iron metabolism, and connective tissue formation. Magnesium participates in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including muscle and nerve function, glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. You'll also find manganese for bone health, zinc for immune function, and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. Cashews bring antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids that neutralize free radicals, helping reduce oxidative stress and protect cells. It's another layer of goodness. Seeds that support well-being from the inside out. But remember, the benefits shine brightest when portions stay sensible. Nuts, including cashews, are often recommended even for weight management. A compelling body of research supports their role in weight control. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats work together to promote satiety, the feeling that tells your brain you've had enough. A small portion can stave off hunger better than a larger refined carb snack. This satiety may reduce later intake, dietary compensation, a more sustainable approach than deprivation. Some fat in whole nuts remains trapped in fibrous cell walls during digestion, meaning we may absorb slightly fewer calories than labels suggest. This helps explain why regular nut intake isn't typically linked to weight gain in population studies. However, these benefits are conditional. They depend entirely on portion control. Let's talk numbers. A standard serving is 1 ounce, about 28 grams, roughly 16 to 18 whole cashews, a palm-sized portion. That serving contains about 157 calories and 12 grams of fat. Fat provides 9 calories per gram, more than double carbs or protein. It's easy to exceed a serving from a big bag or a bottomless bowl. 2 servings, or 3, can happen fast without realizing it. 300 to nearly 500 calories. Over time, extra calories add up, even from healthy foods. Mindful eating matters for energy-dense foods like cashews. Pre-portion to create a natural stopping point, far better than willpower alone. Treat cashews like olive oil, a potent ingredient. A little goes a long way. While calories are key, They're not the only factor when choosing cashews. Many products are roasted and salted. Here lies a hidden risk. High sodium intake raises blood pressure and long-term risk of heart disease and stroke. Look for unsalted or low sodium. Better yet, buy raw or dry roasted and season lightly yourself. Dry roasted means hot air. Oil roasted means cooked in oil, adding fat and calories. If oils appear in ingredients, they were added during processing. Choose raw or dry roasted to avoid them. Cashew allergy is a serious tree nut allergy that can cause anaphylaxis. If allergic, complete avoidance is the only safe course. Pre-portion your snacks. The single most effective strategy. Never eat directly from a large bag or container. Aim for about 16-18 nuts per serving to remove guesswork and temptation. Make cashews a component, not the whole snack. Pair with other food groups for volume and nutrition. If plain bores you, add flavor with spices. Big taste, minimal calories. Combine with high fiber or water-rich foods to boost fullness and satisfaction. Stir fry. Toss a small handful in during the last minute for warm crunch and richness. Salad. Combine greens with protein and avocado, then add a sprinkle of whole or chopped cashews. Cashew cream. Soak 30 minutes, then blitz with water, lemon, garlic, and nutritional yeast. A tablespoon or two transforms pasta or roasted veggies. Breakfast. Sprinkle chopped cashews on oats or yogurt, or swirl cashew butter into porridge or onto whole grain toast with banana. Simple ways to enjoy cashews in controlled, delicious portions throughout the day. In the end, the story of the cashew is a lesson in balance. Not a food to be feared, but one to understand and respect. They offer heart-healthy fats, valuable plant protein, and essential minerals like copper and magnesium. Used thoughtfully, they support heart health, aid satiety, and add creamy richness to meals. But they're energy-dense, and salted or oil-roasted varieties can push sodium and calories higher. The key to unlocking benefits while avoiding drawbacks is simple: moderation. Choose unsalted, dry-roasted, pre-portioned snacks and use cashews as a garnish or ingredient. Enjoy the creamy texture and subtle sweetness in sensible portions. Find your sweet spot, and cashews become a wonderful, nourishing part of your eating pattern. Selected references for further reading are on screen. Enjoyed this? Tap subscribe and ring the bell. Drop a comment with your favorite cashew tip. Watch the next video for more balanced bites. Thanks for watching.